In this video, I'll show you how to estimate international shipping costs using iCarry.in. There are two ways to access the international rate calculator. Method 1. Go to iCarry.in. Scroll down to the international shipping section and click on it. This will redirect you directly to the international rate calculator page. Method 2. Log into your dashboard using your login details. From the left menu, click on International and then select Rate Calculator. Both methods open the same calculator page. From here, simply enter your shipment details. Start by entering the parcel weight. For this example, we'll enter 500 grams. Make sure you check the unit selection carefully, whether it is grams or kilograms, before proceeding. Next, enter the parcel dimensions: length 10, breadth 10, height 10. Also confirm the measurement unit, whether it is centimeters, inches, or feet. In this example, we are using centimeters. Once the dimensions are entered, the system automatically calculates the volumetric weight. Here, the volumetric weight is 200 grams. Now enter the sender's pickup pin code and select the destination country. For this example, we'll choose the United States. After entering all the details, click on Get Estimate. You will instantly see the available courier options along with the delivery timeline and total shipping cost. For example, FedEx International is available with a transit time of 5 to 15 business days, and the total shipping cost is 4,017 rupees and 48 paise. If everything looks good, simply click Ship Now to proceed with the booking. And that's how you can quickly and accurately estimate international shipping costs using iCarry.